look for in my tools is power and reliability. I've been working with Makita tools for 12 years. My experience with the GSR1 7¼ inch saw is that it is powerful, smooth, and nothing stops it. Trying to find a cord, sometimes it's a hassle. You have to find a power source, run the cord. You got forklifts running around, running over them. And with cordless tools, you just grab and go. 40-volt cordless tools will definitely replace corded tools.